Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigiTwise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use separate desktop spaces for each monitor on Mac. So when you connect an additional monitor, separate spaces allows each display to work as an independent workspace, and you can keep one desktop active on your main display while using completely different desktop on secondary monitor. This is useful when you want to separate work, communication, entertainment, or reference material across different screens. Your external display should be used as an external display rather than simply mirroring the main screen. So to enable separate spaces, first click on the Apple logo and choose System Settings. Now in the left side pane, go to Desktop and Dock, and here in the right side pane, scroll down all the way and find the option Displays have separate spaces. After that, enable the toggle right to it, and this setting will require you to log out. So save any open documents and then click on the Apple menu and choose Logout when the menu prompt. After that, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Here click on Logout again and sign back into your Mac user account so the change can take effect. And after signing in, and then move the pointer toward the top of the display to reveal the space bar, and you can select an existing display or use the add button to create another space for the monitor, or repeat the same process for your other displays. And each monitor can now have its own desktop space without requiring the other screen to change at the same time. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.